Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you League of Legends, how to make custom item sets. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create custom item sets in League of Legends in 2024, you can follow these steps. Firstly, launch the League of Legends client on your PC. Once logged in, navigate to the Collection tab, located at the top of the client window. Then click Create on Empty Set to start a new item set. You'll be prompted to choose the champion for which you want to create the item set. Choose the champion you want to customize the item set for by clicking on this champion icon. Once you've selected a champion, you can begin adding items to the custom item set. To enhance your searching by category, you can use the filter tool on the left side or use the search bar or browse through the categories to find the items you want to include. Now, arrange the items in the order you prefer by dragging and dropping them within the item set window. After adding and organizing items, click on the Save button to save your custom item set. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.